So you want to get into the Apple ecosystem, but it's too expensive. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get into the Apple ecosystem for just under $550. Obviously, you're not going to be getting the best products, but you are going to be getting into the Apple ecosystem, and eventually you'll be able to upgrade your products. So all of these products I'm going to be finding on eBay today. They're going to be refurbished. If you don't know how to buy refurbished on eBay, I have a video linked down below with the best ways to buy refurbished on eBay and knowing that you're getting a good product. All of these products today are going to be supported on iOS 18 in this next month coming out. That'll be great. It'll at least work for a year. Okay, today we're going to go with iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, headphones, all under 550 bucks. First off, we're going to start with Apple Watch. So we're going to do the Apple Watch Series 7. You know what? The Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen, not a bad price. It came out last year. It's only $157 for excellent refurbished. So that one's tempting. Or you could go with the Series 7, Wi-Fi and cellular as well, and you can get the bigger model. So we're going to go with the Series 7, the bigger model. It's Wi-Fi and cellular. I like blue. $170. Gonna add that to cart. Next, iPad. This kind of sucks, but we're gonna have to go with the iPad 7th generation. Again, it's gonna be supported on iOS 18. Might not be supported for iOS 19. We'll have to see. But if you want an iPad, this is a great entry-level iPad, and it works great in the price. If you want to go a little bit higher and go for if you want to spend $700, then you can get a much better iPad. For double this price, you can get an iPad Pro 2018. Much better than iPad 7th Gen. But the iPad 7th Gen for our purposes is great. $156, and it is in great condition. 32 gigs, Wi-Fi, 10.2-inch screen. Gonna add it to cart. No protection plan. Next up, headphones. AirPods, those are really easy to fake, and I'm not going to steer you wrong by telling you to get AirPods. Also, AirPods can be pretty expensive. So we're going to go with the second best thing, and that's the Beats Studio Buds. I have a review of them on my channel from about 2 years ago when they came out. They're still great headphones for what they are. These, I don't know if a lot of refurbishers have them, but they are definitely all over eBay that people are selling. So, you know, you want black, you want white. It comes with various colors, which the AirPods don't. There's also the Beats Studio Buds Plus for about $70, $85, something like that. Those are not going to be the ones I choose just because, you know, expensive. Okay, we're gonna go with this one here, $40.25. Beats Studio Buds, US warehouse, delivery of goods. I want the white ones. They match AirPods Pro pretty nicely. This is coming from either New York or Hong Kong. Cool. Great thing about eBay, even if you get scammed, money back guarantee. You don't get the item you ordered, you get your money back. So it's going to be a risk, but if you're willing to take it. Beats are not going to be as easy to find because you're not going to find a lot of refurbishment companies selling Beats. Go to cart. Okay, right now we're at $372, and you've already gotten pretty good Apple Watch, the big size too. Got an Apple iPad, got Beats. You know what? I'm going to try something. If I remember correctly, Apple Pencil was announced with the iPad 7. Oh, look, here's that. Added to cart, $50. Now, you want to get an iPhone as well. Obviously, you can't run really any of these products without an iPhone. The iPhone XR is the best product for this. It still gives you that full screen design. It gives you Face ID, gives you a pretty decent camera. If you really love the home button, get the new iPhone SE 2nd Gen. That's going to be around the same price. But the iPhone XR, when it came out in 2018, it was a phenomenal product. It was the most popular iPhone of that year. I still today see so many people using that phone. That phone is supported on iOS 18, comes in a bunch of different colors. If you want to just get into the Apple ecosystem, bare minimum cost, this is the phone you'll go with. Looks like all the other colors are sold out, so we're going with black. $147, no protection plan. Our total is $569.39. Okay, well, remove the Apple Pencil, $519.40, just under $550. You have $30 left to get an active stylus that works with the iPad 7th Gen, and there you go. Yeah, okay, you're not getting any cases, and that's fine. That'll have to come a little bit extra. And if you want to see a video where you can get into the Apple ecosystem for $700, $650, $1,000, let me know in the comments down below. But until then, I'm Jake. This is Shot on my phone.